Welcome to Amma Stories, the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you the story of the elephants and the mice. The elephants and the mice lived in a small forest surrounded by a river. The river had plenty of water. Every day, the elephants, after their feed, they would go to the river, take bath there, and play in the water also for a long time. The mice, being small creatures who were living in and around the river bank, used to get trampled under the feet of the elephants. This continued for some days. The mice actually got scared. They thought, if this continues, we will become extinct one day. So, what shall we do? So, they all assembled in their courtyard and were thinking about plans of how to save themselves from the elephants. They thought and thought and thought, but no one could find an answer. Finally, one young mouse, he said, "Oh yeah, I have got an idea. Tomorrow, can I do that?" The leader of the mice said, "What is it? Please share your idea." And the mouse said, "Tomorrow I will go to the elephants and tell them to ask forgiveness from the moon god, and they might do it and we might get saved. Let us see," said the leader. So the next day, when it was time for the elephants to go to the river, the mouse went to them and he said to the leader of the elephants, "O elephant, please, today you have to listen to me because I am the representative of the moon god." So the elephant said, "Who is that?" So the mouse said, "Oh, you don't know who the moon god is? Please come to the river bank. I will show you. And moon god is very much annoyed with you because you are breaking his meditation." So the elephant said, "Sure, if it is so, first let me see the moon god and then I will believe." So the elephant, in the evening, he went to the river, and there in the still water, the moon that had risen in the sky, the moon's reflection was there in the still water, and the elephant saw it. He immediately asked forgiveness from the moon god. He also asked forgiveness from the mouse. And he said, "Dear mouse, I think we have done something wrong. So we shall leave this place and go to some other place." But the mouse said, "There is no need for you to do that. You can still live here, drink water, bathe, and do all kinds of merriment in the water. But be a little bit careful about the mice who are very small." So the elephant said, "Sure, we will be careful in future, and we will be very, very, what do we say? We will be very, very kind to you people also." So the mouse and the elephant became friends and they went back. The elephant told his herd about the incident that had happened in the river, and the mouse went and told his group of mice also the same story. So they were all happy. So there ends the story, and I think they might have lived happily ever after. This story is from Panchatantra. Panchatantra stories were written in Sanskrit language by a Brahmin Pandit called Vishnu Sharma. He wrote these stories to educate king's three sons because the king had ordered him to do so. These stories teach us kindness, uh, responsibility, how to win friends, how to govern a country, how to resolve conflicts, etc. etc. So now it is time to say goodbye to you all. So till we meet, uh, tata, bye bye. But please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and please write your comments and send me. Also, every Tuesday, I will come with a story in English, and every Saturday, I will come with a story in Malayalam. And this story is dedicated to the people who do not follow Malayalam. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, once again, tata, bye bye.